Hi Francisco. I'm testing it on my demo site. One by one, I will send you my videos, and if you will be available, I will test it with you online. Have a look here. There are three categories: category A, category B, and food items. I will show you three categories products. Category A is having soap and variable product A. B is having product alpha and variable product A, right? A variable product A is in both. Okay, now category food items: bread, butter, chilies, and coconut, right? So I can group them. For example, category A and category B can be group N, both can be the same group. That's how it works, or as it is now I show you. Category A is group B, category B is group A, food items is group C. Let's try to order. Soap, product alpha, all of these. Check out. So let's do a rough draw. Ideally, it should happen that all of the food items should go in one order as group C. One of the others, like product alpha, should go in another order. Soap should go in another order. Place order. Orders. 1 minute ago, 3 orders created. I'm opening 3 of them. Bread, butter, chilies, and coconut are together. Product alpha separate, soap separate. Let's try one more thing. Let's make food items group R, category B group R, category A, let it be group B. Save changes. Let's go to these categories again respectively. Soap will go in a separate order. Product alpha and food items, coconut and butter, will go in other order. Only 2 orders should be created. Place order, orders. Again, 1 minute ago, obviously within a minute we tried it, so 2 orders are here, 23, 25. Product alpha, coconut and butter, soap. Okay, so this video was about group categories.